Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4 Minute Friday Fun. Today we're going to talk about Equatio extension.
Equatio.
How do you get Equatio?
You get Equatio by going to the Google Chrome Web Store. If you don't have it yet, we're going to push it out to all of the teachers. So you should have it in the top right-hand corner of your Chrome browser. It's this blue diamond.
Students will get it as well.
Yep.
So it is a math tool that makes math accessible online for Google. So it will include kind of handwriting in to formulas, speech to formulas. It has a prediction feature. It can be read by Read and Write for Google.
Mm-hmm.
It's a great accessibility tool for representation and for action and expression within the UDL framework.
Awesome. So when it first comes up, when you first add it, it may ask you if you're a student or a teacher.
Yep.
You just click it and it'll create a document for you. But then once you have it, if you click the blue diamond in the top right corner, this will pop up. And the very first one is the predictor. So Nick, you want to show
the
them?
predictor, well, and it's just an equation. You can start typing it in here. So you could do 8 plus 7 x equals y. And you have a couple features here. You have some formula options down there. You get the smiley face that says it recognizes it as a math problem. And you can just insert the math and it will put it in as an image within your Google Doc. So you can resize it all you want. You can see it's kind of fuzzy. They are messing with that and trying to improve that as we go. And then you can just go on to the next line and keep going. So let's say you have a student who doesn't want to write it out. They can just type it out. So you can put 8, maybe not, 1, there it is, 1/2. So it does have some prediction features within that, which will help as well.
Under options also, if you click the little caret right here and go to options, under math options, you can turn on chemistry and formulas as well.
It is default off. So
yeah. So if you were typing for chemistry and you wanted to type in hydrogen,
it'll bring up lots of formulas as well.
Things like that. Yep. Okay, the next one is the latex editor. If you know how to use it, great. If not, don't worry about it.
Yep.
Handwriting tool. This is really cool. If you are wanting to trash something, get rid of this over here. You click the trash button, but you can just use this little area with your mouse or your mouse pad, and
that's pretty good.
Put in whatever you do. You can insert math. Since these are going in as images, though, if you ever want to edit one of these, you can click it and click extract math, and it will pull it back out so that you can edit it over here again.
Yep.
That's the only way you can edit it.
And then the other option is speech input. So you'll click the record here. It will pop up asking you permission to use your microphone, but we've already done that. 2x plus 7 equals 8.
And as you can see, he said other stuff too, but it only pulled out the math.
Which is awesome as well. And then again, you can insert there and it will put it in as an image within your Google Doc that you can then share out.
Also, like you just saw happen, if you have one of these highlighted, when you insert another piece of math, it will put it in directly wherever your cursor is. So it'll take out your other math that was already in there if you weren't careful.
That we've done that
multiple times.
It also works on Google Slides and in Google Forms. So if you're making a quiz off of Google Forms, this will pop up next to the question options, which is nice as well.
And then also, if you click one of these and you go into Read Write for Google and you click play, +7x equals y. It will read it to you.
How cool is that?
I know, right? Very cool. One last thing is when the first time you do the speech input, you will have to allow it in the top left corner.
Yep.
Okay. Anything else?
Nope.
Happy Friday.
See ya.